Hi guys, and welcome to another video. This is a continuation of this series on the wooden dummy form without a dummy. Most of you won't have access to a dummy, or if you do, you can only maybe get into the school, martial arts school, once, twice a week. And you may not even be allowed to use it yet. You may not be advanced in the system. However, nowadays most people learn things on YouTube, books, DVDs, instructional things, and really, as far as I can see, there's no reason why you can't. And the dummy is you traditionally learn the system 1, 2, 3 empty hand form and then the dummy form because it's continuation. However, learning the empty hand forms, Sil Lim Tao, okay, for example, the first form, that's done in the air. I don't really see why you shouldn't be able to do the wooden dummy form in the air. So that's what I'm going to go through with you guys again, okay? So carrying on from the first video, this is the second section. Now it's a bit of a cheat because it's basically it's the same as the first section, but starting from the other hand, okay? So from the first one, it's from the guard and man cell, the left hand, and then coming through, pull. This one's going to be exactly the same but with the right, okay? So I'm going to go through it briefly with you, and then you can go and delve deeper if you want on YouTube or wherever else. Or if you want to send me a message or comment if you want any deeper, some more detail in the form, I'm happy to do that for you guys, okay? So from here, aim 1, through the centre, okay? Pull on the head, 2, bong south, 3, step out and in, 4, okay? Step back, guard cell, Quan cell, okay? Then you're stepping out and in again. Same technique as before, okay? Tarn and palm. You have to have the hits. It's not, say here, and then you're just stepping in, okay? From here, you've got to turn hits, okay? Out, guard. From here, in, and tarns out, okay? You've got the circling, and that comes straight up, okay? To the eye. Then jerk in hand, and palm at the same time, okay? Low palm. The first section was the high palm, this one's the other hand and it's the low. Okay, then double jerk and top sow, and then we're in. Go through again with you guys slowly, okay? Okay, man, 1, through the centre, 2, pull, 3, step out and in, 4, step back out, gone, 5, 1, 6, step out and in again, 7, but the other side, step out, 8, okay, shift 9, 10, 11, 12, okay, there you go. So I'll see you on the next video guys, section 3. As I say, please subscribe, like and share, and if you want any more detail please let me know and I'm happy to do that for you. So until then, train hard and keep safe.